Sashiburi guys, what is happening? Vimal here, back with a new video. Today I have something very unique to show you all guys. It's a mouse but not your ordinary one. This is Logitech's all new MX Vertical. So till now whatever mouse you used, right, this is how probably they look like, right? So basically you're going to use this mouse in this sort of position. But this one over here is a very unique mouse that has a vertical position guys, hence the name MX Vertical. So basically these days everybody has to use a PC or a laptop, right? And I'm pretty sure you stay on your computer with your mouse for a couple of hours, right? What happens is over time it might actually cause a bit of pain, a little bit of stress on your wrist and stuff like that. To eliminate these sort of stuff, Logitech has actually designed something completely innovative guys. So instead of the regular position of using a mouse, they've made a mouse that will make you feel much more comfortable guys, that too in a unique vertical position. So with this mouse, right, you won't be holding it like this. Instead you will be holding it in a natural handshake sort of position guys, which puts no sort of strain on your wrist. So I'm like very excited to see how does this mouse perform, how's the overall ergonomic design, comfort, and today in this video we'll be talking about all of that. I'm like pretty excited to show you this mouse in this video. Keeping that aside, remember guys, in my last video I actually did like a double giveaway where I said that if the video crosses 500 likes I'll give a mouse, and if it reaches 1000 likes I'll give a keyboard as well. You know what, surprisingly within 3 to 4 days only we actually hit the 1k likes milestone, and today in this video I'll be selecting the winner. So what I've actually done is, from hundreds of comments in that video only, I've picked like random names from the comment section guys, and I've put them in this paper chits in this box over here. So I am also not sure who the winner is going to be. What I'll do is I'll just quickly open up some chits and show you. Who knows, your name also could be in this one of these chits. So let me just quickly open them and show you. So this is how I've selected the names, everything randomly selected from the comment section guys. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll just put all of these chits in this glass box over here. So we're gonna jumble it, and I'll be picking like 2 chits out of this guys, and they will be the winners. One will get a mouse and the other one will get a keyboard. So let's give it a quick shake, a little more here and there. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, best of luck everybody. Let me just pick a random name. I don't want to see. Okay, so this guy is the winner for the mouse. Let's see who the winner is. Okay, Kanav Dhawan BGMI, congratulations, you are the winner for Creo mouse. And let's also pick the keyboard winner. Okay, this one. Okay, congratulations, Virinchi Jackson 9705. So these are the winners, everybody congratulate them. So I'll be reaching out to you guys and we'll take it further. I'll let you know how you'll get your prize. So that's it, these are the giveaway winners. I'll also update them in the respective video as well. This is not the end guys, like this I've also arranged and planned so many giveaways in the coming videos as well. So that is the reason I always ask you people to comment in the video, because you never know who the winner could be, right? Anyways, once again congratulations, and without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So boys, our brand new wireless mouse from Logitech came in this sort of packaging, and as I've told you, model is called as MX Vertical. And look at the picture over here guys, the whole shape itself looks pretty different, right? Going to the side here, you can check out all of its main details, features, highlights. We'll talk about all of them in the video, so make sure to watch it till the end. Do not skip any part. Without wasting any more time, let's actually get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the package, and there you go boys. As soon as you open it, at the top side you actually get some details on basically how to pair and set up the mouse with your PC or laptop. And this is the mouse I was talking about guys, Logitech's MX Vertical. Oh my god, look at the shape and design of this thing. Looks pretty awesome, right? We'll just come back to the product in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the package you're also getting some accessories, which include a 2.4G wireless USB dongle, some paperwork, just make sure to read that, and a USB-C cable is also there if you want to use a mouse in like wired mode. So that is pretty much it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the mouse, and first of all talk about the design and build quality. Initial impressions, I have to mention guys, the mouse looks pretty awesome. I mean, look at the shape, look at the design over here. Very unique, right? I've never seen a wireless mouse like this before. So basically Logitech has made this mouse with purely ergonomics in mind, guys, to offer you best possible comfort to your hand. You're getting a unique 57-degree vertical angle that offers a natural handshake position. We'll come there and talk about that in a moment. So over here you've got your Logi branding. There are plenty of buttons as well, and build quality is also nice. You're getting like nice rubberized textured pattern, and entire body looks like is made of polycarbonate material. On board you're getting up to like 5 to 6 different buttons. 4 of them are like fully programmable using Logi Options Plus. Left and right click button, scroll wheel at the center. This is Logitech's precision wheel, guys, and quality feels definitely nice. Going to the side here you'll find 2 more buttons, basically a forward and backward button, and a tiny LED status indicator is also there. On the front profile you can check out a USB-C port. So basically if you want to charge the mouse, or even if you want to use it in wired mode, right, in case the battery runs out, you can do that. Here's how the bottom profile looks like. You're getting good quality rubber feet. At the top side you got some details. MX vertical mentioned. This one is your high precision sensor that offers up to 4000 range DPI, a physical slide switch, basically power button switch, and on the bottom you got tri-mode connectivity switch to switch between Bluetooth, wired, or even like 2.4G wireless mode. Totally up to you. So guys, as I've told you, I've been using this mouse for the last couple of days, and there is a lot I have to say, especially about the whole comfort, the new ergonomics and all of that. So make sure to watch it till the end and do not skip any part. First, let me tell you about the design and the in-hand feel. As I've mentioned during the unboxing part, MX Vertical has a very unique shape that is specially made to offer you the best ergonomics and comfort for your hand. I mean, look at this! Kind of feels like alien tech, right? The mouse offers a unique 57-degree vertical angle for a natural handshake position. This in turn greatly reduces the strain and stress on your muscle. So I've been using this mouse for almost 10 days, and honestly I've got a bit of mixed reactions, guys. First of all, let me tell you, since the whole design itself is different from your regular mouse, right, it will take time for you to adapt and get used to the shape in your hand. I mean, even after using it for the last 10 days, it kind of feels new for me. Obviously, because for the last couple of decades we've all been using like regular shaped mouse, right? Suddenly you move to something like this, a new vertical shape, right? It'll feel like that only. But let me tell you, the mouse actually feels super comfortable to hold. No, I'm not kidding. It fits like a piece of puzzle in your hand. Feels quite natural, guys. I mean, look at this. The way I'm putting my hands on the mouse, right? It feels very natural holding it. No stress, no strain, nothing on the wrist. Pure ergonomics is what I can say. All the buttons are also like very easily accessible. Left and right click buttons, the scroll wheel movement, even forward and back buttons also. And quality of the buttons is also nice. Offer a tactile and clicky feedback. But I do have to mention, it's not that lightweight. It comes with a built-in battery, right, and easily weighs around like 135 grams. As I've told you, I've been using this mouse for the last couple of days for like day-to-day casual experience, browsing, a bit of professional work as well, like photo and video editing, and also tried a bit of gaming as well, because I was curious like how does games feel playing on a vertical mouse. And let me tell you, I actually had like a pleasant overall experience. On board you're getting Logitech's high precision optical sensor that supports an adjustable DPI range from 400 to 4000, and let me tell you, whole thing is like fully customizable using Logitech's Logi Options Plus software. You can completely configure 4 different buttons on board, adjust the DPI range, plenty of other stuff, guys. Just have a look at the software. The sensor on board was accurately reading all my hand movements, and I didn't face any sorts of dead zones also. And as I've told you, because of its unique vertical shape, it takes a bit of time to get used to it. Casual work, day-to-day experience, and even productivity felt smooth. I was actually having a good time, having fun. But I do have to mention, it's not made for like esport gaming, guys, because you know, while playing esport games, especially like Valorant or CSGO, right, you'll have to move your mouse really quick, aim precisely, and also jump in here and there, right? So it was a bit difficult for me to adapt that quickly. Plus I'm so used to playing with my Superlight 2 decks, nothing even comes close to it. See, my only advice is don't be too hasty, guys. Don't judge it too quickly. Give it some time. Get used to the whole shape. Get used to the feel itself. I'm pretty sure you'll naturally grow to love it. That's the magic behind MX Vertical. So as I've told you at the beginning only, you're getting tri-mode connectivity options. You can use a mouse in Bluetooth mode, 2.4G wireless mode is also there, or even in USB-C wired mode in case the battery on board runs out. And coming to the battery life, on board you're actually only getting 240 mAh battery, and the brand says that it'll offer you around like 4 months of usage per charge. But based on my usage and experience, right, I think you'll easily get around like 2 to 2.5 months, not an issue at all. But good thing is the mouse also supports fast charging. A simple 1 minute charge will offer you up to 3 hours of usage. Well, that is pretty much it. Our video on Logitech's MX Vertical. It's a premium and beautiful looking wireless mouse that is specially designed with ergonomics in mind. Excellent comfort, good build quality, multi-platform compatible, and great battery life as well. Only thing if I had to nitpick is I couldn't find any hidden space on the mouse to store that USB dongle. Like, what? Logitech, why didn't you do that, man? Usually when I'm carrying my wireless mouse, right, there are chances, these USB dongles keep getting lost. So I would have really appreciated if there was some sort of option to store the dongle in the mouse only. Rest everything else was fine. The mouse roughly costs around like 18,000 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got lots of information. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.